Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And you know, especially nowadays during the weekends, we like to travel a lot, especially with the high-speed rail, and transportation is getting more and more convenient here in Taiwan. So let's teach people vocab associated with buying a ticket, a train ticket, for instance, or a bus ticket when you want to travel around Taiwan. 订车票好了 reserving a ticket.
听查票。
听查票 okay 就是订车票的意思，对不对？
对。
And 查票 is actually a bus or a train ticket. 其实这通常都是火车跟这个巴士才会说车票。
对。
If it's an airplane, 飞机就是会有机票了。
那海陆腔可以讲成听查票。
听查票 Okay, a different dialect for reserving or booking a ticket. 现在很多人都喜欢在网络上就可以订车票了，
方便啊。
Very convenient. Now you can book a lot of tickets, train tickets, bus tickets online. So let's teach you how to say this. Booking a ticket online is very easy and convenient.
都用路行听查票。
都用路行听查票。
东风片。
东风片 OK 风片就是 convenient 方便刚刚网路怎么说啊
用路
用路 OK that's the internet Wow, pretty cool. Now, when we reserve tickets, we'll be asked whether we want a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket. 有的时候我们会买单程票啦，有时候是来回票。
对，会先买啊。
对对对，
不用再去排队。
Exactly. 而且有时候比较便宜 right? Sometimes it's cheaper to buy a round-trip ticket. It's more convenient. 来回票怎么说？
来回票。
来回票 That means a round-trip ticket. I want one round-trip ticket. 我要一张来回票。
我要一张来回票。
我要一张来回票 Okay, again, that means I want one round-trip ticket. And then sometimes we may change our schedule. 可能有些其他的因素，我们需要退票了We may need a refund on a ticket. 退票怎么说？
退票。
退票 Again, that's returning a ticket and getting a refund. 不好意思，我想退票。
歹勢，我想退票。
歹勢，我想退票 That means I'm sorry, I really need a refund on this ticket. All right, let's review these terms associated with booking a ticket. 订车票。
聽查票。
聽查票 Then the round-trip ticket 來回票。
來回票。
來回票 And finally, a refund 退票。
退票。
退票 And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.